Dave Porter with Vouch Video. When it comes to fencing, when it comes to finding a fencing contractor, if you're looking for the best fencing price, I'm standing with Mario from Great Railings. Your company is not only helping deck contractors with railing solutions, but today now offering amazing fencing products at a great price. How could someone work with you? What would they be asking you for when it comes to fencing products?
Even though most people are looking for a standard fence, we're capable of producing high-end quality custom fencing as well, where you can take us your plans, prints, drawings, or anything you find online and forward it to us, and we'd be able to get a price and solution for you.
There's different types of products, inferior products that are out there when it comes to fencing. A lot of these vinyl fencing, over time, they're getting brittle and breaking. Tell us about your product and why you're so proud about not only the product you're selling today, but the price that you're selling it at.
Many of the box stores are selling products that are brought in from offshore, where quality isn't part of their vocabulary. We're making fence out of all U.S. made products that carry a lifetime guarantee.
I only deal with one person. I deal with Mario. I don't go anywhere else. There's nobody else local to me that I care to do business with. That's 11 years now with Mario, and he always makes it happen for me.
When it comes to the fencing product itself, I've come to understand, fencing really gets hit by debris, branches, a big storm. You really want a quality fencing product so it creates a nice look, long-lasting look for you. Tell me about your commercial grade fencing product.
Our fence has been tested to withstand 75 mile an hour sustained winds and gusts up to 115 miles an hour. We offer the fence in 3 different colors. It's white, tan, and khaki. And then if necessary, we can actually have a custom application done in almost any color that's available.
Mario, I want to thank you again. I look forward to recommending your fencing company services and helping other people find a good quality fence. Thanks again.
Thank you.
or
It's
what
because
makes
I
them
made it.
Or well, and then you can also go into the strength of it, like it's been tested.
Well, the fence isn't tested. Actually, the fence is tested.
I'm sure it's tested to something.
Yeah, no, it just hit me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
However you want to
add
handle
on,
it.
just add on to it. You're gonna cut it.
I'm going to go into trends
just,
next, but
just
go ahead.
throw him something. Just throw him something so you can answer that about like the why. What makes
how does your fencing product stand out from these other fencing companies?
Our fence has been tested to meet Miami-Dade County hurricane to sustain 75 mile an hour sustained winds and gusts up to 115 miles an hour.
I feel like you there's like two
Yeah,
other parts of that you should like. Our fencing is unique because it is very durable. In fact, it's rated at like that.
Yeah.
You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
the fence isn't kind of like the railing. The railing we have all the testing
the-
for,
Okay, but
which
it's
this we
still-
actually do have.
All right,
The Miami-Dade.
let's leave that out. Let's go
Okay.
on to the next thing. So, I've come to look at the fences in the neighborhood, and things are changing. It looks like people are going with different color fencing. Tell me about the trends you're seeing and the types of requests you're getting for fencing products.
And ready.
Yeah, we offer the fence in 3 different colors. It's white, tan, and